Welcome back everybody to another video. We're doing another cooking video because my last one got like double the amount of views in a day than I get in like a week. So today I'm teaching you how to make a jalapeno burger. Before we start, let me just show you what you need. Burger buns, some water, some burger seasoning, some vegetable oil, some avocado, a jalapeno, some cheese, some vegetable oil spray, that's optional, some barbecue sauce, a burger. Now, I would say to go with like raw beef and you cook it, but since I don't have that, I'm going for like a pre-cooked burger and some mayo. And now that you got all of that, whip out your butter knife and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so first thing you want to do is grab your guacamole. Well, your avocado. I don't know why I say guacamole. But, so you want to chop it like, so you don't want to go right through the middle because there's a pit. You just want to cut around. This would be faster with a better knife, but I'm just going to use a butter knife anyway. Okay, now that it's cut like all around, let's see if I can pry it open. No, I can't, so I'm gonna go for a better knife. Okay, so you want, like, go down to the middle of the pit, and then stop. Then keep on going around. We got it open. So I want to pry it apart. And you see how there's a pit right there? Grab your knife. Hit the pit. Well, that's not working, so just scoop it out. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to lose a finger. I would recommend just using a spoon, but I'm not going to do that right now. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of that, the top of it, and then I'm going to cut it this in half. Now what you're going to do is, once you have this quarter piece, you're going to get the skin, like peel off the skin. Oh, come on, you can't just peel off in one piece. Okay, I'm just gonna cut off the skin. Okay, once you're done at terribly cutting your avocado, you want to cut it like into little pieces, like not little squares, but little slices, basically. Four or three is good. And then, okay, the next step is to take your barbecue sauce. And if it's already liquidy, you're good, but mine's more of like a solid. So I'm gonna pour like a little bit of water in to start. Oops. Well, that should be good. And now you just want to mix it. That's pretty good. I might add a little bit more. Well, that's really all you had to do for the barbecue sauce. Now we can go over to making the burger itself. Now onto the burger part. You need a stove or a grill to do this. Let me just grab my burger. Oh, that's... Look how much ice is on that thing. Yo, hold on, let me knock some of this off. Okay, after I got a lot of ice off this thing, we're just gonna, actually, before we set it in the pan, we're gonna spray the pan with some vegetable oil, and then turn the stove on to, I'm gonna put it on 5, no, 4, okay. So, you have this little pepper, right? I would say in a little container. Let me find one. Okay, got one. Like this little container. Fill this container. When I say fill, I don't really mean fill. I mean like put a little bit of vegetable oil in it. There we go. I would say try to get the pepper like mixed in with the oil a bit. Keep it turned. See, now it has oil on it. So you want to put the pepper and the burger in at the same time because they cook at the same time. So I'm gonna take my burger right here, plop it down in the pan, and I'm gonna take my pepper and plop that in the pan. Now, with your burger seasoning, with your burger seasoning, sprinkle a bit of it on the burger. And then, actually, we'll wait to do that later. Now, this is gonna cook for like 15 minutes. Flip it around every 3 minutes. And so, I'm gonna, at the end of 3 minutes, I'm gonna flip it, put seasoning on that side. Then after that, flip it, and then, actually, so right now, well, that's cooking up. With your barbecue sauce, like liquid from earlier, I'm gonna pour some of that on the burger. Just spread it around the burger. That's good. Now, at the end of 3 minutes, we're gonna do that again, but to the other side. Now, pepper's gonna take a while to cook up, but you can already see it's starting to happen right now. And since this is pretty greasy, we're gonna put that on for a bit. Okay. Okay, 3 minutes. It's done. We are going to now flip the burger. Just like that. And we can flip the pepper too. Now, I would recommend to have your bun ready, so when it's time you can just set it on there. So, I'm gonna put mayonnaise on the buns right now. Oh shoot, I forgot. So, I forgot to do this after my first flip. Season the other side. And put your barbecue sauce on that, too. Now it's time for it to flip again. Okay. Time to flip it again in 3 minutes. Okay, time to flip again. So now we're gonna flip. That's looking pretty good. I'm gonna let that sit for another 3 minutes. We're gonna take it out. I'm gonna take the avocado we cut earlier and place 3 of them on the bottom bun. Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out and check how it's doing. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on low. Now, I'm gonna grab my burger and put it on top. I'm gonna try drain the grease off of it. I'm gonna put my burger on top of it, like that. And then, the jalapeno, I have a separate plate for that. So I'm gonna take it out. If these worked, you're gonna take it out and set it on that plate. Then you can turn it off, and then you're done with that. Okay, so we're back here. You got your burger so far, and now you just need to add the jalapeno. So, might be a little hot, so you just do small little chops like this. You get rid of the top. So, you can decide to keep the jalapenos in. I mean the seeds in. That makes it hotter, and I like that, so I'm gonna put them right on top. Not all of them, only some. Don't touch your eyes once you touch these. Make sure you wash your hands after. Okay guys, so that's how you make a jalapeno burger. That looks amazing to me. You can add like ketchup or whatever, but this seems perfect. Just jalapenos, mayonnaise, burger, and avocado. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and please subscribe. Anyways guys, I'm out. Peace.